Alright, well, the guy is Cobra 142. GTL. It does work. Somebody has modified it and put upper lower channels, which is this switch. They put a slider in it, which I'm not sure how it works. But they put this slider in there where the clarifier was. It does work. I am listing it as parts or repair only. It does modulate. Hello. Audio. As you can see. It does show us normal wear or scratches. For its age though, it's not bad. It's in pretty good shape really. Inside is pretty clean. Best thing about this setup is it comes with a Cobra dynamic mic. The mic is really good condition. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. As you can see, it is in really good condition. It is missing the cover for the batteries, but it don't stop it from keeping the batteries in there. They stay in there. And it does work very well. As you can see, it audio. You can see that she works very well. It does need a tune-up. It needs to be tuned in and aligned. You have a CB shop do that. You have a nice kicking radio. From what I can tell, it keys about 5. Swings about 15. As you can see, I really don't need it. But it does work. It does receive good tune-up. All segments LED work. Alright, it does do the job. I just don't have the time or feel like spending the money on repairing it. I have other radios. Bidding's going to start fairly low. What I start the bidding at is the white mic will be worth more than that alone. Mic is in really good shape. Nice microphone. It is what it is. Sold as is, no returns. Parts or repair only. Happy bidding.